magandang gabi po sa lahat po ng ating IMG campaigners. And a big congratulations for this year's Convention of Champions. Palakpakan po ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Because tonight is a celebration of people who refused to settle for where they were and chose to pursue what was possible. And I know that this year has been full of challenges, but we all managed to survive. And I also would like to thank everyone and IMG for bringing me here. It's truly an honor to be here tonight. And congratulations din po sa ating mga leaders who dared to dream bigger, not only for themselves,